Bob again. It's Monday morning, and yes, winter is not done yet. We got more snow. It's not a lot, but you know, it's getting towards the end of March. I'm kind of getting, I would like to get into spring. This morning we're supposed to get a load of pipe. I think he said a 2-drop load down towards LA, actually Riverside. So we'll head on up and we'll grab that and see what kind of fun we can have on this trip. Okay, there it is. 2-drop load going to Southern Cal. Only weighs about 33,000, something like that. That back is 2 different orders and the front is just one. We're on our way. This is a 2-drop load of pipe. The first drop is in Paris. That's in California, not the one in France. So I've already talked to him down there, and there's a spot right across the road that I can park when I get down there tonight, so that'll work out really good. I'll have to call the other place and figure out how long it'll take me to get there from the first drop. But it's basically the back half of the trailer's the first drop and the front half is the second drop. Of course, right now I'm in the middle of a snowstorm. It's 34 degrees, so it's not even sticking, but it's been coming down in places pretty good. Hopefully we'll run out of it sometime and be able to get down there. Glad I didn't wash my truck. And he's already got me a reload out of Westpac. The second drop, once I get that off, then it's only about a 20-minute, maybe a half-hour drive over to Westpac. It looks like everything should come off pretty easy, so hopefully everything will work out nice and smooth and we'll be able to have a smooth trip. Okay, well, we got down here last night. That parking spot worked great. Went in this morning and they pulled it off. They didn't have a lot of room for these bikes to maneuver around, but we got them all unloaded. Now we're gonna head over to the other spot over there by Disneyland, Knott's Berry Farms, over there in Anaheim. Actually, it's Stanton is the town that it'll be in, but it's over in that neighborhood, so we'll head over there. We got here at Westpac, and there are not many trucks, so this might go quick. We got loaded here, and they overbooked their stuff again, and they didn't have enough stuff for the load I was supposed to get. So the broker actually gave us another load. This load, instead of going to Salt Lake, it's going to go to Richfield. So we got that loaded on. But now we're sitting out here on the street, and traffic is not looking very pleasant. So I'm just gonna hang out here for a little while, kind of take the sleeper berth break. When traffic clears this evening, I can just kind of head right out. We just finished a 7-hour break, so we're gonna get going. I'm all sleepered up. Took a bit of a nap, did a little bit of editing, but we took the time off. Traffic is clearing, and we should be able to make it all the way to Richfield now. So we'll get up there, and it'll be early in the morning, but if I get tired, I can take another 3-hour break and take a nap, and it'll be fine. We'll get there. So let's get on our way. Okay, well, we just got home. Yeah, we didn't make it all the way there last night. Not surprising. I'm lazy. So we stopped right around Beaver. Only had about an hour left to go, but it was 4 o'clock this morning. It wasn't a big rush. I mean, getting there at 5 o'clock or getting some sleep and then getting there at 9:30, which is what I did, that worked out okay. And he didn't have anything for me anyway, so he's got a couple of things I guess he wants me to do for the rest of the week. So we'll wrap this one up and we'll see what kind of fun we can get in tomorrow. So anyway, thanks for watching and we'll catch you on the next one.